Hello, everybody. Happy Saturday. We are here with Mr. and Mrs. Strain, Larry and Beverly Strain. I am Hensel Taruno, Head of Marketing with Tornado Roofing, Siding, and Gutters. And we like to hear from our customers' experience to constantly improve our services. So we're going to ask you guys a few questions, okay? What was your experience with our roofing, siding, and gutters crew? Was all the debris and nails cleaned up after the work was done? How long did the job take?
They were exceptional. I mean, they were here from 7 in the morning till 9 at night.
It was a big job.
It was a huge job. The next day they sent over a crew for 2 hours afterwards to make sure, because it was dark when they left, to make sure that all the nails and anything they missed was picked up. We've been very, very pleased with.
They're very fast, very professional. Everybody knew exactly what they were supposed to do.
Everybody had a job.
And went through, and it was like a big roof, but it was very efficient how they did it. And we were very pleased, and we even had some neighbors that checked in, and they were very pleased too with how it was done. It was a very good experience.
Yes, we'd recommend it without any thought at all. Yeah.
Great. Thank you. Now, that was my second question. How likely are you to recommend us, to your friends and family? And obviously, the last one would be, what rating would you give us on a scale of 1 through 10 in Google, or 5 stars? What would you recommend?
10 is easy without any problem.
Yeah.
It's
10 and above. Yes.
Yeah.
We couldn't have been more pleased. The efficiency, the crew, the kindness. They were good. I mean, they concerned about the property and the flowers, and they were just excellent. Yes.
It's been about 3 months since we had the roof put on. We had no problems with it, no loose shingles and no leaks or nothing. And it's just, when we pull up to the house, it looks very nice. We're very pleased with it. And she put a lot of effort into finding the right color and trying to find the right company to do it. And we came out very well.
Well, and Tornado Roofing really helped with the color, because I had it narrowed down to like 12. and
Only 12.
Only 12. So I went into the office and said, "Is there any way you can? I'd like to see a roof, not just the shingles. Do you have places that we could drive by and actually see the roof on a house, so I can tell the color?" And they gave me all 12 of the shingles, because they had examples. And we took the next week going through the town and looking at shingles, and that really helped to know what would look best on our house, to see it on someone's a house like ours, but on a roof. They were above and beyond. So I appreciate it.
I agree.
Well, thank you. And thank you so much for sharing your customer experience and honest opinion with us. We appreciate your feedback and the opportunity to serve you. We are a big local business supporter. As a token of our appreciation, we would like to give you a Shop Local card, which gives you access to a lot of discounts with many of our local businesses. So thank you for your time. We appreciate everything, and give us a call if you ever need us. Thank you.
We will. Thank you.
All right. Goodbye.